Alright, so here we got the new stuff, the new S-H-I-Z-T, shizd, because I can't curse. So here is the front passenger side hub assembly. This is a 2007 Nissan Titan. It's the V8, so here's a basic breakdown of the suspension. Basic strut, bolts down to, or is soldered, welded to the lower control arm. They're bonded. There's that stabilizer bar, outer ball joint, inner tie rod in. Here's your steering knuckle, your upper A arm. Here's that, just like the video from yesterday, that strut mount. Here's the top side. We won't need to mess with any of that. Neither will we have to mess with any of this. But we will have to mess with this right here. So we're going to unmount these right here. Hook this to the top piece right here. We will be removing this, because we will need to take off this whole roller. And we will be getting to, I can't really show it, those bolts right there. And that's that right there. Let's get started.